In this video, I will walk you through the PPC optimization process of a campaign during the first month of launch. If you haven't, make sure you watch part 1 of this complete guide where we explain what needs to get done from day 1 to day 8. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the notifications button so you don't miss out on experts addressing questions as they come up. Now let's dive in. Day 14. Week 2 brings in 7 days of fresh new data and performance from your Google Ads efforts. You will need to review the data from the past 14 days to identify what needs to be performed. You should revise the following. Your search impression share should be at least above 80%. Quality score should be averaging between 7 to 10. If not, work on key optimization points from day 8. Keywords with less than 1% of click-through rate should be paused and replaced. High-cost keywords with no conversions and low click-through rate should be paused and replaced. This will help decrease your average CPC. If the cost of acquiring leads to sales is not ideal for the end advertiser, consider reducing bids and keeping a close eye to evaluate if they are worth keeping long-term. You should always dig deeper before pausing any keyword. The underperformance may be caused by low search volume, low maximum CPCs, or too extensive match types. While making these adjustments, I recommend that you label anything you pause, given that you may give them a second chance at performance down the road. Once you analyze data, you can make bid adjustments. Revise your top performing devices and adjust your bids at an ad group or a campaign level based on how well they have performed. Check for locations and ad schedule results to adjust bids at the campaign level. Go over your demographics at the ad group and campaign level to make adjustments for specific genders, ages, and incomes. After, you can revise your search term report. List your keywords from the highest to the lowest and assess their worth through metrics such as click-through rate, CPC, conversions, CPA, and ROI. You should be able to determine what match type works best for these keywords. You will also encounter search terms that are not related to the business or services you are promoting. Make sure you add these to your negative keyword list and ensure relevant traffic. Day 21. You will have to repeat some steps from week 1 and week 2 and go through some additional steps. From week 1 and week 2, you will have to do the following. Promoting quantity and quality traffic, revising bidding and average CPCs, check your keyword, ad, and ad extension status, optimize for search impression share, benchmark your click volume reach, revise your search term report. Also, you should evaluate if search partners are driving enough quality traffic to your landing page. If you observe a click-through rate below 1% or high cost with no conversions, it's better to pause your search partners. On the other hand, if you manage to make it work, start considering injecting a portion of your daily budgets to search partners. By day 21, you can also start A/B testing your ads. For this, you don't need to rewrite your ad. You can work with high-performing ad, make small tweaks, and evaluate the results of both. Some subtle changes you can try are changing the call to action, using keyword variations, improving ad copy to landing page relevance, and linking to a more specific landing page. Day 28 and beyond. This is a wrap for your first month of launch. As you move forward with your Google Ads campaign, you should consider the following tips. Your optimization frequency depends on your account budget. We recommend weekly optimizations for accounts with daily budgets higher than $100. While optimizing, you should leave a 7-day window. On the other hand, if the daily budget is lower than $100, you should optimize bi-weekly with a window of 14 days. Also, make sure you include the following core components in your optimization schedule. Bid optimization. You can always set up a review automated bidding. Keyword optimization, negative keyword research, keyword expansion, ad optimization, campaign structure optimization, ad settings, scheduling, and extensions. Account expansion. Revise if new campaigns such as shopping, remarketing, video, or display are a good fit for your overall marketing goals. That's it. You should now be ready to optimize your campaign during the first month of launch. Feel free to watch one of our previous videos where we explain our campaigns optimization process with more than a month of launch. Takeaways. Your Google Ads campaigns need to be regularly optimized to promote success. It's not a set up and forget process. It requires consistent, new, and competitive strategies to continue growth, especially if you want to be exponential. Our team of experts is ready to maximize your efforts and take you by the hand through it all. Make sure you leave comments below, visit our website, or send us an email if you have any questions. or if you're interested in learning more about our white label PPC services and tools.